You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 67, closing a change request. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. I'm logged in as Bill Walsh. We'll click on Jira Service Management. Under Spaces, we'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. And then we'll click on the change, which is NIA 14, upgrade database server. Now, let's move ahead and perform the further task. So now we are going to change the status of this change from in progress to resolve issue. Resolution, we are going to select done. We are going to scroll down, reply to customer. Request for upgrade has been completed successfully. Click on resolve. Okay, now let's move ahead. We have resolved this issue. This change request is still there. We need to close it. So now from the drop down, we are going to select close issue, which says closed. And now we are going to add internal comment mentioning that the associated subtask implemented has successfully completed. And so the change. So now close issue, this is done. So from the technical team side, Bill Walsh, who is system admin, has closed the request. Now let's view this change request by logging in as Brian Tracy. For that, let's open an incognito window that we are working with. Here I am logged in as Brian Tracy. Let's go to Jira Service Management. On Help Center portal or page, we are going to click on top right corner profile, click on request. And from the filter, it shows currently only open request. But our change is closed. So we will uncheck this, we will select it. So this is the first one, NIA 14, upgrade database server. Let's open it. Okay, so these are the details. Request is closed, it is shared with Bruce Lee. Let's close this. So in this lab, what we did, we have closed change request. With that, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.